Hello all. Today I will present to you my portfolio about Cyclistic Customer Analysis. I made this in order to finish my Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Let's talk about Cyclistic. Cyclistic is a bike share program in Chicago where we can share the bike across the city. Cyclistic apply flexible pricing plans. There are casual riders, consumer who pay per ride or per day, and cyclistic member, consumer who paid per year. There will be several steps within the data analysis phase. The first is ask for creating the scope of work. Then prepare to find the raw data. Next is process to transform the raw data into the clean data. Then analyze to extract insight through exploratory data analysis. And then share the result of the analysis through a dashboard. And the last is act, where the team take action through marketing strategy. Let's go through the first step in data analysis process. Ask. Within this project, the first stakeholder are Cyclistic executive team who approve the marketing program. And the second is Director of Marketing who responsible for this program campaign and development. The problem is this company need more profit to expand the business. Finance analysts tell us data analyst team that annual member are more profitable. And then the stakeholders believes that by growing the amount of cyclistic member, company will grow more. So, this project goals is to increase the number of annual member by at least 25% for this year Q1 through conversion from casual rider into annual member. And the business task for the data analyst team is to analyze the historical bike trip data to identify the behavior of annual member and casual rider. I put the result of these steps on the scope of work document that you can access through this presentation files later. Let's going to the second step of data analysis. Prepare. For the project purpose, we need relevant bike data like user time, user place, station, type of bike, and user type. I limit the data into 1 year historical data started from August 2021 till July 2022. And fortunately, Google Data Analytics Certificate program provide me with the relevant data for the project. You can access the data and license through the link in the presentation. The raw data is comprised of 12 CSV files, one file for a month, and the size is large enough like 1 gigabyte. The data is comprised of 13 columns and 5.9 million rows. The 13 columns is comprises of time data, spatial data, categorical data, and identification data. You can look at the raw data through this link. After we get the raw data, let's clean it through the next step, process. I use the Microsoft Excel to clean up the data for analysis purpose through this 6 step. First, I import the CSV data to Microsoft Excel. Then I format the data, check for duplication, check for blank value, check for spelling, and then calculate the extra data for the day's name and duration. You can access the clean data and cleaning log through this link. Here is the most interesting part, analyze. Analysis by duration show us that cyclistic member and casual rider most likely use the bike within time 0 till 20 minutes, and the casual rider tend to use the bike longer than cyclistic member. So, the casual rider at duration 0 till 20 minutes will be potential to be cyclistic member. Analysis by distance show us that most cyclistic member use the bike for distance 200 to 2000 meters, and in the second place for distance 2000 to 9,000 meters. Hence, it is also good for casual riders with distance 200 to 2000 meters and 2000 to 9,000 meters to be the cyclistic member. Combined analysis between duration and distance show us that cyclistic member most likely use the bike for a duration 0 to 20 minutes and distance of 200 till 9,000 meters, and also for a duration of 20 to 120 minutes and a distance of 2000 to 9,000 meters. Hence, the casual rider with the same distance and duration also can be a good potential to be cyclistic member. Analysis by days show us that amount of cyclistic member at weekdays tend to be more stable, and on the weekend there are more casual rider rather than cyclistic member. So, this weekend is a good time for cyclistic member promotion activity because there are more casual rider. Analysis by starter time show us that there is 3 peak time for cyclistic member: 8, 12, and 17 o'clock. This might be the time where commuting to work, having a lunch break, and commuting to home. Casual riders at those peak times 8, 12, and 17 o'clock could be a good potential candidates to be cyclistic member. Combined analysis by days and time show us that the trend per hour for weekend and weekdays is not the same. There are always more cyclistic member at working hour in weekdays, and there is also more casual rider in weekend afternoon. You can target the casual rider around 8, 12, and 17 o'clock on weekdays, and the good time for promotion is in the weekend at 12 till 6 p.m. Bike type analysis show us that classic bike become the most popular bike among cyclistic member, and there are no docket bike for cyclistic member. There is more cyclistic member use the classic bike for a duration of 0 to 20 minutes and distance of 200 till 2000 meters. For distance of 2000 till 9000 meters and duration 0 to 20 minutes, either cyclistic member or casual riders prefer an electric bike rather than classic bike. Station analysis show us that the activity of cyclistic member and casual rider is concentrated in zone 1 and zone 2. So, there are similarities between the casual rider and cyclistic member that could make the casual rider suitable to become cyclistic member. This proportion analysis show us that in zone 1, station with an average user of more than 10 users per day has 50-50 proportion between the user who start using the bike and the user who finish using the bike in the same station. In zone 1, the proportion of casual rider and cyclistic member was similar. This could be an indication that in this station, casual rider also commute like cyclistic member. This analysis in zone 2 show us the same pattern as the station in zone 1. The point is there is casual rider who use the bike for commuting, and this casual rider could be a good potential to become a cyclistic member. For efficient marketing campaign, we could target 160 most visited station in zone 1 and 4 most visited station in zone 2 by casual rider who commute. If we could convert all the casual rider within this target station, the company will get 37.3% new cyclistic member, and the composition of cyclistic member could become 27.14% of new cyclistic member and 72.86 of old cyclistic member. After analysis was done, we are ready to present the report through share steps. I already made the Tableau dashboard that summarizes the analysis we already conduct. You can access the dashboard through this link in the presentation files. And here we already get into the final stage of data analysis process, act. This is some suggestion from the data analyst team regarding the marketing strategy to convert the casual rider into the cyclistic member. First, about station. Team marketing can focus their work on the 160 most used station in Zone 1 and 4 most used station in Zone 2 to achieve the increment till 37.3% of new cyclistic member. Second, about the time. Use commuting time to promote the program. And also marketing team can use weekend when there is a lot of casual riders. Third, about the bike type. Never target dog bike user. Just target the casual rider who use classic bike first and then electric bike. Fourth is about duration and distance. Station keeper could ask the casual rider where they want to go. If the destination is taking duration of 0 till 20 minutes and distance around 200 till 2000 meters, this is a good candidate for cyclistic member. Thank you so much for Google Data Analytics Certificate Program team to teach me how properly I could become the Google Standard Data Analyst. And thank you for all of your time to listen into this video. You can access the Medium article by clicking this link, and you can also access the repository through this link. If you want to discuss further about this project, you can email me here, or if you want, you can message me through LinkedIn Stefanus Yudi Irwan. See you!